Hello everybody out there in YouTube land. Well, I finally got my head back and it's on the car. Ooh. Now, this is a fun fucking job. But anyways, timing these Ecotechs isn't a fun, easy task. But anyways, it's mostly back together. Just getting ready to finish up all that crap. But I wanted to show you guys something. This is the original chain oiler. See, this one's got a little brass insert in it, and the tip was clogged up on it. See? So this one is why the chain broke. So it's clogged up in there, and it's screwed up. Now here's the new one the kit comes with. Okay? A little bigger hole, and that has no brass insert. It actually works pretty good from what I can see. So I can't wait to get that in there. I don't have to worry about the stupid chain breaking again. Now, that's pretty nice and tight. I don't even have the tensioner in there yet, but it's working pretty good. So, yeah, timing these bastards is not an easy task. Oh yeah, fun crap. But anyways, so it's almost back together. $1,500 later in parts, labor. I had to get all the valve guides replaced, so that was fun. But hopefully next weekend I'll be running. I forgot to order a timing cover gasket, so that's why it won't be running this weekend. But I can make sure everything will be fine. But just thought I'd keep you guys updated. Oh, and my porting job did really good. But anyways, have a good time. Bye bye.